come out. What I don't consider actually paying me well. I just have to go review and come check and watch and like. But the truth is that when you are low, you are low. No matter how they transform you, you are very, very low. Like I said this evening that the truth is that because she's scared that the lady has what it takes to expose her. Where she can't go at a low level that she can't come. You guys, let me tell you one thing. I always say you guys are wounded soldier. They defeated you guys yesterday. Forget there's nothing you can't. No matter what you want to defend this low level period.
Okay, not even mind them. Now after they don't even go finish this evening, now this night, now they come they watch, they say they want to dent our career outside, they want to do this. You know talking yesterday now. After they don't go finish.
He pay me, let me tell you one thing, he pay me so that girl go. Because me, I go start voting for her and I will campaign for her. Because I get a stand. Because she gave us the content that we want. And number two again, so those ladies, those twins, they feel that they can comfort everybody. They have been comforting and since. So why not they feel? And when someone can't give a bass goes and I go sit down. When the right time come, we say the lady don't they go now. You pay me, you really pay me. I'm not like for you. I'm just angry that she left, but at the same time, there's no way you can. No matter how low you are low. You are low. You are just they don't fit transform. They don't fit transform anybody.
You can. Okay, those to me. Let me help you finish the word. You know, pick come out pig from gutter. Now so it just be.
You know, fit because one, they're always defensive. Two again, they don't know how to respect people's space. Even though you want a person friend or boyfriend, there are better ways to do that. Not to make other people feel offended.
Like I dislike them. It's a whole Kelly Ray where we say you don't get problem for that house. Now you won't come against. Specifically leave party for you, they grill chicken. You stay there, they dance, they rock your nyash on top of man. Now you come follow the talk and say now because soldier of chicken. Now the day when I know say those twins, their head is not correct at all.
Okay, one twin. Well, they are always different. Is it the other twin girl trying to give out Big Brother Discord? So the truth is that Big Brother send message to them. They vex, they change up one. You guys are, to be sincere, you might like her, fine. But the truth is that she's not, as in, that buyer don't behave like this. That buyer was static, was classic.
I beg, don't compare my buyer to this man too much.
Sorry. They're trying to come with that script now. Now what they want to try to do, but they know say they buyer do well.
No, my buyer did not come with the script. My buyer came to play men. Did not come to be used. My buyer did not come with the script.
And the truth is that everything about them, to be sincere, is up. Is it the ship? From day one, ship don't start. After she be woman, do shakara small. You can't. The truth is that I mean, someone has a friend or have a partner, even though they are not dating, there are better way to be said. As in, there are better way. There are better way to go. But they just overtake the guy. Let the ladies. To be sincere, sometimes when I just look them, the matter is that they are not classic. And number two again, they don't know how to respect people's space. And number three again, they have so many things that they just any small thing they don't see, they don't start, they shout, they sing. Two twins you're being with a madness. No, instead of one person they calm the other one, the two of them go start. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Whether I like it or not, and you told her, tell them, if they want to go far for this show, they need to. They need to. If pay me say people don't change this thing. Just pay me say they don't change the format as I use it yet. But the truth is that if they come, imagine say they come to the last word. Do you think they just be sincere? Do you think the housemate will save them? Look at it. With all this attitude they behave, if they enter below 4, do you think the housemate will save them? They will not. They will not. But the truth is that they ask people that is pulling them off. And so they say, in as much we they try to be hypocrites. But there are some distinct lines we just have to draw. To say they don't act well. They have never acted from the first time. I've said there are so many issues I have issue with them. First of all, respecting people's space. When you know someone came with a partner, the better way to, even though you like the guy, there are better way to do it respectfully. Number two again, being confrontational. Number three again, you insult somebody, finish call a show. I know especially you call a show. When the person come back with bazooka and gun, you don't feel retaliate. You are quiet. When the person come there at his lowest point again, you come they do bag. Oga, you don't make any sense. You don't happen. But the truth is that my only pain is that girl left. So that girl no leave. Now go see say that girl go ever enter below 4. That's my point I want to make. Thank you.
Ruthie. I was like, it nearly became my ringtone. You understand? I even went to sleep that night and I had Ruthie. The next day I came on Kylie's
Ayima, let's go back to when this same Wani was saying you that man is fingering and they are pressing breasts. I didn't see anybody coming to
No one was saying anything, though.
Hey, God, I beg you. Now you are saying that they are victimizing them. Hold on. Before you insult another person, so in the mirror, raise your right hand and say, I am a hypocrite.
Were you people even listening to that thing this person was just saying? She just came here and just spoke jargons. Please, the next person should speak. I don't understand.
That's not
Raise the right hand.
Yesterday, Ruthie, my only problem is if you had why didn't they use the same energy yesterday? Don't
My dear, Ayima, aside that, she has been crying that they are victimizing them. How are they victimizing them when these ones are using their mouth to open to say what they do?
Don't worry.
Saying her sister sleep,
Please go ahead. We have a lot of people. We have a lot of people on the.
Because you already anticipating for the drama this week. Oh my! When Streets left, I was so happy. I was like, yeah, it's about to go there because seriously, they've not given us that much content or something to talk about. Do you get me? So yesterday was actually, the best highlight for me was everything. So I was like, okay. And this guy even said in her diary session today that if she survives, she's going to deliver. She's going to give us drama. So I was really, really anticipating. But anyway, it's unfortunate. That aside, I just feel like you push to stop this being, I don't know how, I don't even know sentimental or what words to use. Like those girls, they are petty, These people that are literally fighting. You guys. Yesterday, what's the name? Ruthie said a lot. Yes, the twins also said something to Ruthie the first time they had this issue. Yesterday, Ruthie crossed. She didn't even say that they were having sex with the same man. She said they were even like they fucked themselves. I don't know if you guys heard that. She said they fucked themselves. And these girls, they also had I just felt I was so disappointed last night because they had the dragging materials. They had every bass that Ruthie gave them. There was a very stable, resounding boss. You get it? But they kept mute. They were quiet, just like validating whatever Ruthie was saying. So I was really, really disappointed. They didn't give me that energy that I expected from them yesterday. But then again, if they want to use today, you get me, and to just pay back or go back at her, I don't say anything. Don't come and say petty. There's nothing like petty. They are classless. Yes, me, I know they are classless. That one will know. They are aroused, we know. They don't carry themselves with class. I've dragged them. Before I even come, I'm not nobody's. They are not my fave. I'm neutral. I don't understand anybody. But yes, I'll say my truth as it is or as I see it. They are class, they are aroused, yes. But you coming for them because they went for or they say Ruthie. They were supposed to do what? Why?